This gorgeous center hall Colonial is now for sale in Parsippany. Step into this welcoming home, with great storage in the wide foyer. This 2,200 square foot country home has a comfortable, spacious floor plan. Gleaming wood floors span the home, with a lovely fireplace anchoring the living room. It flows right into the family room and kitchen, making an ideal layout. There are many appealing features throughout, including a convenient peninsula in the kitchen, granite counters and Viking appliances, as well as plenty of storage make this a wonderful kitchen. Sliders to the expansive back deck and plenty of space for relaxation make this home ideal for entertaining. The formal dining room has plenty of space for a large table for those great family dinners. The powder room is cute, and perfect for guests. Upstairs, the master suite features the same gleaming hardwood floors and great natural light. Just look at all the space. The walk-in closet gives plenty of storage. A convenient master bath rounds out the suite. The second bedroom is also spacious with windows on 2 walls. And the third bedroom provides even more natural light. The fourth bedroom could be a great office or guest room. The cheerful full bath rounds out the second floor. Downstairs, the supersized finished basement provides wonderful space for a rec room. Separate office space makes a nice private spot to get some work done. Room for laundry and lots of storage room complete the basement. Outside, a beautiful brick paver driveway leads you up to the 2-car garage. The oversized back deck is simply amazing, providing so much outdoor living space. A retractable awning provides shade in the wide open backyard. 3 sheds and loft storage in the garage provide lots of room for outdoor supplies and toys. Fully fenced, this backyard provides plenty of space for fun and games.